Hey guys, it's me Pondakal, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money by simply sharing other people's YouTube video. I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can follow along and implement everything that I'm going to show you in this video. So if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to this channel and do like this video, and if you have any questions related to this video, then do comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer you in the comment section. If you want to create a passive income for your whole life, then I have some useful link that I have given in the description. Some links are from my website and some are of other YouTube videos that you can watch. You can check those links in the description of this video. So now, without doing any delay, let's get started. So as you can see, I am in a site that is called oke.io. Okay, just note down this site, oke.io. So this is a site where you can sort in any URL, okay, and with that sorted URL you can earn money, okay, and I'm going to show you how you can do everything here. So first thing is you need to visit to this oke.io, and it will take you like 5 seconds to sign up to this free platform, okay. So once you sign up to this platform, then you need to go to YouTube and search for some videos that people would really love to watch. So one of the video that most people would love to watch is like story success story of A, you can write, or B, or C, or D, or E, okay, in this like success story of Elon Musk, okay. So let's click on here and you can find some video. Make sure the video is in English language, okay. So it has 3.3 million views. So let's click on this video. So now let's pause this video and copy this link. So this is the URL for this video. Or what you can do, you can click on this share. So it's taking a little bit time. You can simply copy. Okay, so here is the link. Okay, you can literally copy. Okay, so once you copy this video, then what you can do is you can go to this and firstly sign up to this platform, okay. So the dashboard of this platform looks like this. If it is not showing, then just click on home and you will reach to this kind of interface. Now what you can do is you can paste that YouTube videos URL at here and click on sorted. So now this is going to be the sorted link, okay. So you can copy this and paste it somewhere so that you don't lost this link, okay. This link is extremely important. So now what you actually need to do is you need to bring people to this YouTube video with the help of this link, okay. So for that you need some people that can click on this link, and for that you need some kind of traffic source. So one of the best traffic source that you can use is this Orculist. So if I show you Orculist, if you type Orculist plus, I've already shown in my previous video. I've already showed that how you can sign up to this platform. I'll most probably put that YouTube video in the description of this video. You can watch that if you want to sign up to this platform that is called Orculist, and you can promote any of your link to up to 1,000 people on a daily basis, okay. Day to day you can send this 1,000 your link to 1,000 people, okay. And here you can see advertise to thousands daily for free, okay. It actually provides you, and I'll show you how you can do it. Once you sign up to this Orculist platform, you can click on this add mailer, okay, and you'll see this kind of interface. If you didn't see this, then there may come some ad, okay. You can either skip those ad, or if there is any button that says continue to add mailer, just click on that and you will reach to this platform. And here is the regular mailer that is absolutely free, okay. And with the help of this mailer you can send your link to 1,000 people. Now what you need to do is, let's say this is the YouTube video that we are going to send. So this is the title, okay. Let's copy this title and go to this Orculist and paste it at here. How Elon Musk you can change this title, okay, like Elon Musk became richest man in this way. You can make that kind of changes, okay. And then in description you can see how Elon Musk, okay, so there is nothing written, so you can write it on your own word. Was this specific video if you want to know how Elon Musk became richest man overnight. Let's say you let me copy it and paste it, okay. So you can write this kind of text. Now the link that you need to put at here, so that link would be this one, right? We have copied that link here. Let's copy it again, or you can copy it from here also and just paste that link at here. So if you read the text, enter your URL here, not in ad body, okay. You can paste it at here, and then what you can do is simply click on submit ad, and it will be sent to 1,000 people instantly. Now those people may read these kind of titles and description, and they may click on that link, and whenever they click on that link and view that video, or they may not need to view that video, they just need to click, and you'll start to make some money in this platform. So now what you can do is, so there is also another way, okay, another way that I can. So as you can see here, up to 10,000, $27, you can earn up to $27 with 10,000 views, okay. And if you click on payout rates, then the highest rate is going to be of Australia, that is $5 for desktop, okay, per 1,000, earning per 1,000 views. So you can earn up to $5 for Australia, for United States $4.10. And now this Hercules Plus is just the one source of traffic, okay. So now next source that you can use is this one, simpletraffic.co. so it is extremely advertising on YouTube also. You may have watched this ad of this Simple Traffic previously. So what you can do is simply type simpletraffic.co, and you can see here, get started with 2,500 free visitors on our 5-day free trial. So you can get up to 2,500 free visitors. So now you can sign up to this platform, and if you see their pricing, okay, if you see their pricing, then if after free trial you spend $15 per month, then you can get up to 15,000 visitors, okay, 500 visitors per day. So you can send these visitors, or your free trial, or the visitors that you are going to get in your free trial, you can send to this link and be able to make money in this platform, that is OKE.io. So furthermore, what you can do is, you can sort in some of the YouTube video that are related to weight loss, or maybe related to some kind of strategy to trade online, and go to Facebook and join like online trading groups, okay, online trading groups like binary option trading group, forex trading group, and share those kind of useful video by shortening the URL with the help of this OKE.io, and you will be able to make money without selling anything, okay. You just need to share link, and you can keep on doing it again and again by utilizing different traffic sources that you can find, okay. And this much is the exact thing that I wanted to show you in this video. And if this video added any value to your life, then please do like this video and do subscribe to my channel. I'll bring more interesting video in upcoming days, so stay with my channel just by subscribing and turning on that bell notification. And if you want to create a passive income for lifelong, then I have some useful link, as I have previously told. Click that and see if it is useful for you too. Okay guys, so this much I wanted to show. Take care, have a great day, bye bye.